Hello everybody, my name's Simon. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video walk around of our lovely Suzuki Ignis SZ5 Allgrip. This particular car is finished in a fantastic pearl white paint and is complemented really well with the black roof and black alloy wheels. The overall condition of this car is excellent. All the bodywork, paintwork and alloy wheels are all in superb condition. As you can see, the Ignis has a very unique look. It's got a very good ride height, so you can get yourself into a really comfortable driving position and you get better all-round visibility of the road. It's also easier to get in and out of as it's higher up. This particular car has only had one owner from new and boasts a full service history. So as we move around now, I'm going to take you inside so you can have a look at the interior. As you can see, good room in the back, comfortably transport for adults. The interior design looks really well also, with the chrome handles and the white bits of interior that run through. Now, as you can see, the car's infotainment system has AM, FM, digital radio, Bluetooth, sat-nav and smartphone link, and that's housed in the colour 7-inch touchscreen. Moving down to the car's climate controls, and further still down to the car's four-wheel drive controls. This particular car's had a centre armrest added for comfort and convenience. So as you can see, this car's in immaculate condition and would come with a full 12-month MOT and a service before leaving. If you have any questions or you'd like to come down and test drive the car or see the car in person, please give myself Simon a call on 0113 271 2288. Look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you very much for watching.